Hola niños, primero que todo saludarlos, decirles que los he extrañado mucho y también nuestras clases de matemáticas porque yo sé que ustedes las disfrutan mucho. Para esta actividad voy a enseñarles y a introducir el término de fracciones. ¿Qué es una fracción? Una fracción es cuando dividimos un entero en partes iguales. Por ejemplo, si tengo 3 amigos y tengo una manzana y la quiero dividir en 4 partes iguales, tomo esa manzana, que sería un entero, y le doy un pedazo a cada amigo. Entonces sería 1 de 4 partes. Now we are going to check it in English. Here, when we talk about entero, it is called a whole. One whole. Repeat after me. One whole. The whole must be divided in equal parts to talk about fractions. For instance, here, the whole has been divided in 2 equal parts. They must be equal. If I divide it here, it's not a fraction. Fractions are divided in equal parts. This fraction is called 1/2, and I color one part. One part has been colored, so we say 1/2, and the whole is divided in how many parts? Here we write the parts that the whole has been divided to, and it has been taken 1 part. Another fraction here, this fraction has been divided in how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. This fraction has been divided in 4 parts, and I took 1. I am going to color 1 1/4. Remember, the whole needs to be divided in equal parts. Let's see fractions up to 10. Look, 1/2. The whole has been divided in 2 parts, and I color 1. 1/3. How many parts does the whole has been divided? The whole has been divided in 3 parts, 1, 2, and 3, and I color just 1 part. 1/4. 1/4. The whole has been divided in how many parts? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 equal parts, and I color 1. Here, 1/5. 1/5. The whole has been divided in 5 parts, and I color 1. This is 1/6. The whole has been divided in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 6 parts, and I color 1. Here, the whole in how many parts? 1/9. The whole has been divided in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in 9 parts, and I color 1. And here the name of this fraction is 1/7, 1/8, and 1/10. Okay, let's check what are the elements in a fraction. Here we have this. The one here is called numerator, and here it is called denominator. This denominator tells us in how many parts the whole has been divided. For instance, here it says 3/4, so it means that the whole has been divided in 4 parts. 3/4. The whole has been divided in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I have to color how many? 3. 1, 2, 3 quarters. 3 parts has been colored, and the whole has been divided into 1, 2, 3 into 4 parts. Okay, so the elements of a fraction are numerator and denominator. Now we are going to see other fractions. Here, this fraction has been divided in how many parts? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have colored 3. 1, 2, 3. This fraction is called 3/7. 3/7. This fraction, the whole has been divided in how many parts? In 10 parts. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The whole has been divided in 10 parts, and I have color 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I made a mistake here, sorry. Into 6 parts. So it is 6/10. This whole here has been divided in 1, 2, 3 in 4 equal parts, and I have colored 3. 1, 2, 3. So this fraction is 3 quarters. Here I have another fraction. This fraction has been divided in 8 parts, and I have color 4. So the name of this fraction is 4/8. Fractions are very fun and very easy. Remember that we have to divide the fractions in equal parts. For instance, if I have a whole divided here, is this a fraction? No, because they must be divided in equal parts, in parts that are the same, and then I color. Okay, now I want to say goodbye. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. I love you guys. Be good with your parents, with your teachers, and I always think about you. Love you and goodbye. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson.